Morning children. Today we are here to study about Unit 6 Structure of Atom of Within this chapter, just in previous class, we have completed general introduction of structure of an atom. How we can identify structure of an atom? Different atomic models are there. We have studied clearly what the information different scientists, physicists, they have given about atomic models. Different types of theories they proposed to explain the structure of an atom. Within that, J.J. Thomson he explained his atomic model, and Rutherford also explained his atomic model. Bohr atomic model is also explained an atomic model. Sommerfeld is also explained an atomic model. Simultaneously, modern atomic model also, Schrödinger wave equation, quantum mechanics concept. Based upon that, he has given different atomic models. These all atomic models gives information about the basic concept of what? Arrangement of electrons, protons, neutrons, fundamental particles which are existing, how they can be get arranged within an atom. Within an atom, how they can be get arranged. That particular phenomena we have studied there itself. Now coming to one more topic, the topic is what? Activity 1. Based upon the conceptual the knowledge, what we had, what we have studied in 9th class, within what is inside the atom, the concept. Based upon that particular concept, now we are going to perform an activity 1 which gives information about wave nature of light there itself. It gives information about wave nature of light. Before going to that one, let me ask some questions there itself. First question is what? Do all atoms will have same particles there itself? A question. Same particles can it be get existing in all atoms? First question is that. We know it clearly. Same subatomic particles can they be get exist? Second question is what? Why is atom of one element is differ from another element? That particular question also we can analyze it up. Not only that one more question is asking there itself, how electrons are distributed around that particular specified path. We have clearly seen that 118 elements are there in periodic classification. Each element is having its own characteristics. The arrangement of electrons, the arrangement of protons, the existence of protons as well as neutrons together, they will be existing at one region. That region is called as what? Positively charged region, that is called as nucleus. If I am taking atom is existing in the form of spherical shape, exactly at center, what will be there? Proton as well as neutron, and electrons will be orbiting around the nucleus. Around the nuclei, we have seen clearly that itself. To give the answers for these three questions, we have to know, we have to study one concept. That concept is nothing but what? Wave nature of light. We have to get know it up. What is meant by wave nature of light? Let me go into the general introduction. I would like to give it up. It has its introduction as well as characteristics. Let me concentrate on wave nature of light, general introduction. What is general introduction is given there itself. If I am taking electrically charged particle, I have taken one electrically charged particle and placing around in what? In electric field or magnetic field, I am placing it up. Here I have taken a charged particle. This is nothing but what? An electrically charged particle. Electrically charged particle. I am placing this particular charged particle within electric field or magnetic field. I am placing it up. When I am placing this particular charged particle in electric field or magnetic field, this charged particle experiences one force. One force will be acting upon this particular charged particle. If I have taken single charge will be existing, certain force will be acting upon that particular single charge. More than one charge, if I am taking what happens there itself, multiple forces, which what on each charged particle there will be get existing electric influence of electric field, influence of magnetic field, act upon this particular charged particle and allow to exert certain force on that particular charged particles. Due to that reason, what happens there? They can be interaction with that forces can be interact with each other with as the charged particles are exists more than one charged particle is existing. They can be get interact with each other to one another. It can be get. This phenomena was first explained by whom the year? Maxwell. Planck, he explained it up in the year 1870. In the year 1870, he explained that particular phenomena. There will be an interaction between the charged particles. If more than one charged particle, if one charged particle is placed in external electric field, it experiences certain force acting upon that one. Due to acting of that particular force, what happens there itself? That particle will be acting upon that particular force. Due to that reason, the charged particle experience, it starts moving, it accelerates from one point to another point. Simultaneously, if I am taking one more charged particle and if I am placing it up, how many charged particles, if we are placing in electric field or magnetic field, they experiences force. They experiences force. That forces makes particle to attain one motion. That motion is called as what? Accelerating motion there itself. That force allows that particular charged particle to move in certain motion. Rate of change of velocity means what? Increasing in change in velocity taking place for that particular particle. Due to that reason, electron, as it is orbiting around the nucleus, it orbits around the nucleus there itself, charging there. Due to accelerating motion only, it will be orbiting around the nucleus. That is, electron is negatively charged particle there itself. Simultaneously, what happened there? Alternatively, what happened? Electrical as well as magnetic field is producing and allowing it to be get transmitted. Allowing it to be get transmitted from one point to another point. That is nothing but what? That is happening. This phenomena or this concept was first explained by whom here? Maxwell has explained this particular phenomena in the year 1870. In the year 1870, when this accelerating motion is attained by that one, then what happened? Electric field as well as magnetic field. Accelerating is not moving. Means what? They are in transfers in the form of waves. That acceleration of motion transfer, that means what? Electric field and magnetic field, which is acting upon that particular charged particle, allow that particular charged particle to be attain one motion. That motion is nothing but what? Transfers in motion in the form of waves. In the form of waves, it allows that particular particle to be get moved, charged particle to be get moved. Therefore, that waves are called as nothing but what waves? Electromagnetic waves. What are those waves called as? The electromagnetic waves. How a wave propagates? Already we have seen there itself. Sound waves. Example, if you see it up. Sound waves propagate in the form of two layers there itself. Longitudinal wave there itself. Water waves ripple. If you're taking a still pond, or in still pond, if I throw a stone, ripples will be get formed, crust and trough layers will be get formed, and the wave will be get moving from one point to another point. Crust to trough, it will be get formed, and it will be get propagating in a medium. It will propagating in a medium. Similarly, simultaneously, sound, to produce sound, a body has to be get vibrate. When a body is vibrated, what happens there? Compressions as well as rarefactions can be get appear. Some particles will be compressed together. After again that energy, as it is compressed, it will be get released. So that what happens? Compression, rarefaction. Compression, rarefaction, they forms and they propagate in certain direction there itself. Similarly, as it is attaining transverse nature by means of crust layer, rough layer, the wave will be get propagated in medium in forward direction. That waves are nothing but what? As it is producing by two different particles. What are those? Electric field existing as well as magnetic field is existing. Due to existence of these two fields, allow this particular wave to be get produced a new type of wave. That wave is called as electromagnetic waves. Best example for that one is what? We can take it as what? Light waves, we can take it up. Light waves are best examples for electromagnetic waves. If I take a light wave, a white color light, I have taken it up. Place it in front of prism. Take one prism, allow the light ray to be get incident, white light ray to be get incident on prism. When you are allowing the light ray to be get incident on prism, what happened there? The light starts splitting up. A dispersion takes place. As it is dispersing, how many colors can be obtained there itself? 7 colors can be get obtained. What are those? Which color we can give it up? V indicates violet, I indicates indigo, B indicates blue, G indicates green, Y indicates yellow, O indicates orange, R indicates red. These 7 colors that we get produced through a single light ray. Through a single light ray. Each color is having its own frequency. Each color is having its own frequency. Wavelength, energy existing also will be get existing. And they will be differ in their frequency, wavelength as well as what? Energy. Due to that reason, that combination of different colors in the form of a wave light, that wavelength is nothing but what? Visible. The combination of different wavelengths, different frequencies and different energies together, if I am placing it up, we are going to call that spectrum. That is nothing but what? A topic called as spectrum. As we are seeing, as it is a light wave I have taken there itself. Light wave is visible to our eyes. We can easily see that particular light in dark room. If we are performing this activity in dark room, easily we can see which colors on the screen there itself. Based upon that, as we are visualizing, each color is having its own frequency, each color is having its own wavelength, each color is having its own energy. Depending upon frequency, wavelength, energy, colors are being scattered on the surface of the wall. That combination of all that particular wavelength, frequency, energies in the form of at one particular place together, we call it as nothing but what? Spectrum. We can call it up. As it is visible for us, we'll call that one as nothing but what? Visible spectrum. What spectrum I said for you? Visible spectrum. Whereas in electromagnetic waves, I said that they travel in the form of, they produce electromagnetic waves. They travel in the form of electromagnetic waves. As they are traveling in the form of electromagnetic waves, what spectrum will be get formed? Visible spectrum is of what? Which color? Electromagnetic wave spectrum will be get formed. That electromagnetic wave spectrum consisting of so many number of, like visible spectrum, so many number of waves will be get existing, such as microwaves, radio waves, X-rays, gamma rays, as well as ultraviolet rays, visible rays, etc. So on, cosmic rays, so on. All the combination of these all waves. Each wave is having its own frequency, variation in its frequency, wavelength as well as energy. Depend as we are clubbing together, it is called as electromagnetic spectrum. It is called as electromagnetic spectrum. Within that spectrum, the waves are propagating in the form of electromagnetic waves. By this we have completed general introduction about electromagnetic waves, visible spectrum and electromagnetic spectrum. Now we are going to study about as they are propagating in the form of wave. We are going to study about what topic? Wave nature of light there itself. Light waves are having one nature. What is that nature? Electromagnetic wave nature. We are going to study about that particular electromagnetic wave nature. That particular concept was explained in the year 1870 by Sir Maxwell. So children, what are the characteristics does this particular electromagnetic waves possess? In next class, we will study that one much more clearly. Till that time, watch this particular chapter, watch this particular video twice so that you can gain knowledge. Thank you children.